Physical stores remain a critical piece of most retailers' businesses, so it's crucial to empower store-based employees with the tools they need to streamline operations, drive revenue, and meaningfully engage with customers. Many retail companies have leveraged MicroStrategy to build dossiers that provide store managers with seamless access to all their information and key systems. Let's take a look at how a store manager could use one of these applications to aid them in their day-to-day responsibilities. I begin my analysis by viewing my store's latest KPIs and can quickly determine that we're doing well compared to last year's sales performance, but still lagging behind our goal. I scan my store's sales trends to look at performance for recent weeks and decide to dig into the Store Vitals chapter of my dossier. Here, I can instantly see that a large portion of my store's sales come from merchandise in aisle 4, but it looks like I might have some stock issues. To investigate further, I drill down to the item details page for this particular aisle and shelf. By leveraging a heat map visualization and a grid, I can easily see that I have an inventory issue with my coffee makers. I apply a visualization filter to see if I have other inventory problems within the home goods department. Here, I notice that I have a number of out-of-stock or low inventory issues on some other key items like mixers, cookware, and flatware. To address these issues, I quickly add a comment and tag the manager of allocations and replenishment for this category. She receives a notification in real time and immediately responds and takes action. Next, I move on to the peer store comparison section of my dossier to see how my numbers stack up against other stores. I can see that my store is a high-volume store, as indicated by its Tier 1 label. As I noticed earlier, my sales are strong compared to last year, but still underperforming to plan. I apply a filter to view the data for stores in my region and then apply a visualization filter to select only our stores in urban areas. I then move to the promotions chapter of my dossier to see that home goods items receive the largest sales boost from promotions, which makes it imperative that I get these inventory issues addressed quickly. Later that evening, when I'm back at my desk at home, I decide to check out the rest of my dossier. I flip over to the team chapter and take a quick look at my employee reviews and sales performance. I notice that a few of my employees are very close to reaching their SPIF goals, so I'll be sure to offer them some encouragement tomorrow. Next, I move on to the customer service section of my dossier and begin by comparing service trends across several time periods. I can see that the electronics department has some customer service issues that need to be addressed. I also notice that my store's customer performance has been trending below the company-wide average store. Finally, I leverage a heat map to compare recent survey scores for my store to our customers' annual spending with us. I immediately identify 2 customers who were unhappy with the service they received in the electronics department. Armed with this knowledge, I can take proactive action and reach out to these customers with an apology and a free gift card, and schedule additional training for my staff. As a store manager, this dossier gives me a single seamless web and mobile application that delivers instant access to all of the systems and information I need to more effectively run my store.